Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation, episode number 68. And the topic for today is self belief. In the last 1 week, I was watching the election results of 5 states, especially the state of Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. In both the states, the party which won the election took on a very, very strong opposition and they still won it. And I feel it's mainly because of the self belief of that party that they can take the powerful opposition head on. And yesterday I was watching the RCB MI IPL cricket match. I'm sure many of you would have seen that. Till the last ball, the RCB team was believing that they can win and they won the thriller. Okay. So the question is, we all know self-belief is important for success. But how to improve self-belief? Let me quickly give you 3 pointers. The first one I believe is the power of association. Who are the people you are surrounded with? Surround with people who we want you to aspire to be. Okay, if you surround with people who are having a lot of self-belief, who have achieved something, that automatically rubs on you. And point number 2 is the micro risk, the 1% rule. Commit to do one small thing every day that scares you slightly, okay? And you doing that on a daily basis, it will improve your self-belief. And the third thing is, focus on the effort, not the outcome, okay? Sometimes don't worry about what you are getting for that day. Just focus on the effort. Have this process-oriented thinking. Automatically, you will get it, okay? If you see the parties which won West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, they focused on the effort, process-oriented thinking. And RCB also did the process-oriented thinking. So friends, to summarize, 3 pointers to improve self-belief is the power of association, taking micro risk, process-oriented thinking. Have a great week. See you by next week. Thank you.